If you are a beginner and you are still struggling to learn English, then it's crucial for you to know the correct way to learn the language. In this video, I'm going to guide you with some steps where you're going to learn from where to start learning English, and guess what? You can start it today itself. The first technique is known as the imitation technique. You must be thinking that to learn English, you need piles of books. No. Well, if you are interested to speak English, you can start it with some easy ways. My personal favorite way is the imitation technique, where you listen to others and repeat what they say. You even repeat how they say, the emotions, intonations, and even the words. Believe me, this is the most fun way to learn English, and it's gonna be useful for you too. You can start with easy question answer videos. You can even watch cartoons or web series, especially a thing that you can understand. Also, you need to check whether the method is interesting for you or not. You just need to remember not to make the process boring. You must enjoy the process. Step number 2, don't learn words. You will be eventually pissed off trying to learn new words, synonyms, and verbs. And believe me, it will take longer than expected for you to learn English this way. Let's change the strategy. I always ask my students not to learn words. Then what to learn? How to learn? You need to learn the expressions and the phrases instead. For a moment, stop thinking about grammar. Try to make sentences with the new phrases that you have just learned. In the imitation technique, whatever you have learned, whatever you have heard, or whatever you have seen those speakers to use, just try and copy paste it in your sentences. Change the subject, change the object if necessary, make it your own sentence, and immediately you will see that you are able to write a lot of new examples. Maximum students, they don't do enough practice, and that's the reason they forget a lot of things. If you're not doing enough revision, then it's most likely that you are going to forget it. So it's always advised to use it immediately after you have learned. Step number 3, be a good listener. By being a good listener, I not only mean to listen to how or what others are saying, but also here I am trying to tell you to listen to yourself. To avoid misunderstanding, when somebody is speaking, you must pay attention to the keywords. Now, if you want to reply, if you want to ask questions or need information, remembering keywords can really save your day. But what are keywords? Let me give you an example. Yesterday, I met Ben. He's really struggling nowadays. He said that he's broke and will be nice if we can help him with some money. Well, here, please pick some words that can help you to remember the entire information or the thing that I have just said. The words are here. See, I have highlighted the words. So here the words are Ben, struggling, broke, nice, help, money. So these words are enough to remember what I have just said, right? I hope you got it. Next, you have to listen to yourself, and the best way to do it is to record yourself every day. See, the step is very simple. What you need to do is to try and narrate your entire day and make a video. Initially, you'll see that you'll have some problem when you see yourself in the camera, but after 3 to 4 days, it will be all set. Next, you have to listen to your recordings and try and find out the areas where you're having problems. And if you have a guide or your friend, you can ask them to give you a feedback after sending them the video. So guys, that's pretty much it. I try to keep it simple for all of you. And here are the 3 steps that can help you to start speaking English. Speaking English really needs confidence, and you can build up confidence by speaking to yourself each and every day. Because if you want to speak English, then you need to understand that you have to cross the barriers that you have. And also, to gain confidence, you have to come out of your comfort zone and speak. And yes, guys, I can guide you to speak English, but I can't be at your place to speak English. You have to do that for yourself. And wrapping it up here today, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Let me know about what you think in the comment section, and do like this video if you think this is informative. I'll see you all again very soon. Thank you so much. Stay connected.